Quick update for Binance users. Binance has suspended Euro bank transfers amid regulatory heat, and they sent out an email stating, due to events beyond our control, we are temporarily suspending Euro deposits via SEPA bank transfers from 8 a.m. UTC on July 7th, 2021. And the keyword here is temporarily. Will this be temporary? We'll have to wait and find out, because as we know right now, Binance is under a lot of heat from the regulators. And this news is coming out shortly after we found out that Barclays Bank is telling its cardholders that it's stopping payments to Binance, and they sent out a message stating, as you've made a payment to Binance this year, we wanted to let you know that we're stopping payments made by credit, debit card to them until further notice. This is to help keep your money safe. For further info, please search FCA Binance online. We're sorry for any disruption this may cause you, but the good news is that trading is not totally banned. Users can still fund their accounts with credit cards and debit cards. And for those of you that live in the UK, I need to clarify that not everything is banned. We found out last week that Binance is banned in the UK, but an FCA spokesperson clarified the ban is only applied to Binance's English incorporation, Binance Markets Limited, and the spokesperson clarified that UK consumers can continue to interact with Binance Group, the wider international collection of Binance companies that maintains no official headquarters. That means that Binance customers in the UK can trade on Binance as normal. Nothing changes. So this means if you live in the UK, as of now, according to the FCA, you can still spot trade crypto for another crypto, and hold your crypto on Binance. But what is banned is more advanced trading, such as margin trading and derivatives trading. And right now, this video is not to tell you what you should or shouldn't do. This is presenting you with the facts. A lot of you will say that this is FUD or fake news. That's up to you to interpret. But right now, there is a lot of pressure coming down on Binance. If you are subscribed to this channel with the bell notification, I will keep you guys updated on any big news. And also, I'm going to show you a tweet right now that's probably going to upset a lot of people. And it's coming from Mr. Whale, who is not very well liked in the crypto community, but he put out a tweet that is pretty factual. Again, you're going to say it's FUD, that's up to you, but this is the tweet. He stated, IRS investigating Binance, DOJ investigating Binance, CFTC investigating Binance, Thai SEC investigating Binance, Cayman Islands investigating Binance, Japan, UK issue warnings about Binance, Canada regulators investigating Binance. Don't ignore the red flags. Binance is a fraud. What I do disagree with is the statement that Binance is a fraud. I do not think Binance is a fraud. What I do think happened is that Binance moved very fast without permission. This is how they were able to grow such a large empire in such a short period of time. So to clarify, I do not think that Binance is a fraud, but everything else in this tweet is accurate. Again, take it how you want. It's up to your interpretation. But if you do want to stay updated on what's going on with Binance, any major news updates, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and I will keep you guys updated. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.